This is a reaction to some of the news outlets out there that are giving advice on what are the best cryptocurrencies to buy in 2024. What's going to make you rich, go from zero to hero? Yes, it happens, but it usually has something to do with insider information, something illegal going on in order for that to happen. And it gives the rest of the community, as far as retail traders, retail investors, gives you this false sense of security that you could do something like that. So I want to warn everyone out there that all these meme coins, yes, they can make you money, but most people are not professional traders. And what they will do is, if they start making money, they start feeling like, well, this thing is going to go to the moon and I'm going to become incredibly wealthy. So this is what happened to Bonk. Bonk ended up doing a just gigantic 1,000% return. And then what did it end up doing? It ended up then doing a 61% loss of that, or loses 600% of its gains. Yes, right now we are catching some support, but the chances of this sucker going back up to here are fairly slim. And if it does, there's going to be a giant rug pull. And so for most people, the general population is you get rich with a few winners that you hold on to, and you hold on for the long haul, right? You get in early and you hold on indefinitely. So here, let's talk about this. And which ones are they suggesting? Well, they are suggesting Pick a Moon, right? It is a play-to-earn coin with a promising use case. Then the one I was just looking at, Bonk Coin. It's a dog-themed meme coin and social media darling. Yes, you can make money. But my problem with those type of coins is if you start seeing a 100% return, a 200% return, it's very difficult for people not to be married to that position, to take some money off the table. The biggest thing that I get from people is they don't know when to just take money off the table. They start counting how much money they have as opposed to actually depositing it into your account, making it yours. So this one may go up and you may lose all of your money, right? So that's where I use the 1 to 5% rule of the money that you're willing to risk. Put it in something like that. It could turn into 50%, or you could lose 5%, and you're going to be bummed, but it's not going to kill you as if you were to go all in. Near Protocol, this guy's been around for a while. Neutral carbon neutral blockchain, yeah. Injective, a decentralized exchange, constructed on Cosmos, on that layer blockchain, which these two are decent ones. And Celestia, the world's first data availability blockchain network. Yeah, I guess I could see that. Where are these guys ranked? So Celestia, I think that's actually how you're supposed to say it. It is number 43. And what is its market supply, volume? How much money does it have in it right now? So 13 billion. That's quite a bit. That's quite a bit up there. So that's fairly good. What's funny is in the whole real estate world, if you were to, there's so many bonk. It's hard to tell which one's the right one here. In the real estate world, whenever you have a supply of more than $1 billion, that's when you pretty much kind of made it. But in cryptocurrency world, that number is almost got to be 100 billion for it to really have longevity outlooking. So if I'm going to give any sort of recommendation, right, on any of these guys, Celestia, that I could say you could have one in there that's super risky. My number one would have to be the Ethereum network, because most everything is being built off of it. Yes, it's not super sexy because it's expensive. It's hard for people to obtain just one coin, let alone 100 coins. My next one is between Cardano, Solana, XRP. I would have to say XRP because this guy's somewhat of a centralized data finance transfer of money, going up against guys like the whole Swift network where you can transfer money across the world. That would probably be one that I feel like could be fairly adopted and make some good money. So we've got two of them on there. I'm not going to recommend Bitcoin because nobody has $45,000 for that, but I'm recommending some foundational coins that are probably going to be around here in the long run. Cardano, I do kind of like Cardano. I think it's Cardano. I got in trouble on a couple podcasts talking about that. Bonk, gosh, if you had to throw one in there that's hot, I guess let's go back to the Pick-a-Moon, right? Pick-a-Moon is a game where it's play to earn. Why not? Pick a somewhat of a coin that might be able to make something here. That would be a little bit more risky. And then let's do Bonk. Why not do Bonk? Like I said, put 1 to 5% of that in there, and you will potentially make your money back plus 10x, 15x. Gosh, which other ones am I really pumped about? There's Injective. That's what they're recommending, is something that already has a market cap of 3 billion. I could see that's at 37. The circulating supply is 83 billion, built on the Solana network. Sure. So I guess what I'm saying is I could see myself investing in, if I was starting off, Ethereum for sure, have 50 to 70% in there. Then I would have something like XRP for the extra 25, and for the remainder, you could throw some in Injective. Why am I saying Celestia? And maybe Pick-a-Moon and Boncoin just as sort of your home run, because crypto is one of those places that it's a wild west where you can make massive amounts of money on some little things like that, but you don't want to bet the whole farm on that stuff. You want to have stuff that's going to be around for the longevity. That's why I would say the majority of your money should be in something like Ethereum. Well, this is Johnny Crypto here to help you guys in 2024. Let me know your thoughts.